Bitcoin is right now preparing itself for this next big Bitcoin move. We have, of course, been getting these very bullish and very amazing breakouts, and at the same time, we are running in towards some resistance. So what is going to be my next game plan? What will be my next trading opportunity? And what will I be doing next? Well, I'm going to be talking about that exactly, and without any further ado, let's have a look in towards the imminent short term, because right here, actually, a lot of people are actually having a look in towards some kind of a symmetrical triangle, which in fact is right now potentially breaking towards the downside. But in my opinion, if you are having a look in towards this symmetrical triangle, you are setting yourself up for failure, because it is on such a low time frame, and as well, this is not really a pennant. So if you would have a look in towards the symmetrical triangle, you would have a look in towards the symmetrical triangle with a support level looking like this one right here, and not a symmetrical triangle just like this one. This just makes no sense in my opinion. But with that being said, well, either way, whenever we are going to be trading this and breaking this one out towards the upside, we of course have the same exact resistance level. Whenever we can be breaking above this resistance level, well, definitely I do think higher targets are going to be getting reached. And I will be talking about the exact target a little bit later, but first of all, in the case that we are going to be breaking down, well, first of all, of course, I'm going to be having a look in towards this level acting as support, and we are most probably going to be getting health. Now, if we are going to be breaking below that one, well, I would really be surprised in my opinion, but I'm just going to be having a look in towards this 31k level next, and whenever we can be retesting this 31k level and get a bounce from off this level, well, I would literally go all in from off this level, because that would look so bullish. That is literally the same exact setup that we had over here, because right back there we also had this very important resistance level. We broke it towards the upside, we retested it, and boom, we had this a very nice setup to long this position. Now, what we can actually also see happening inside of the short term is that by the DTCC, BlackRock has now been re-added and relisted basically. But ARK investment has now also been listed on this website. So something big is going on, and if this trend were to continue, well, we are going to be seeing multiple filings to the DTCC, and that would mean that all of these providers are basically going to be expecting that a approval is around the corner. Okay, so that is exactly where I am right now having a look in towards for the imminent short term. Now, I'm not going to be looking in towards shorting any of this. Really, we are creating a lot of momentum towards the upside, and I'm not looking to be going against the trend. We want to trade with the trend, so we only really want to open up long positions right here. At least that is my strategy. And we can see another CME gap just got filled, which is once again proving the significance of all of these CME gaps. Literally 95% of all of these CME gaps tend to get filled, so it is very likely, but it does not have to necessarily have to happen. And another thing to keep in mind is that we are right now going up because of the ETF rumors basically, but the actual acceptance has not even occurred yet. So whenever this will actually be happening, well, we are going to be pumping even higher. That is just something you need to keep in mind. And another thing is that next week, we are also going to be expecting our Fed interest rate hike decision again, where probably we are just going to be seeing another break with the interest rates. But that is going to be pretty interesting to have a look in towards. And with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter and join my free Telegram channels with the links down in the description. And guys, maybe you heard it already to my voice, but I'm a little bit sick, so I hope to be better very soon and create some better and longer update videos, because this one was a bit of a shorter one. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.